Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on LiveGood Review 2025. And you're watching this video because you want to know, is LiveGood still a good opportunity? Can you make money with LiveGood? And how do you promote LiveGood to actually build your downline and make money from LiveGood? Well, my name's Justin Temple. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future network marketing videos. I actually got started in network marketing when I was 15 years old, and I dropped out of high school at 16 years old to do home business, and I became a top 200 earner, and then the company disappeared, okay? And then I left the industry, I had an online store, was making good money, and then I came back to the industry because of the shipping crisis. So I came back to home business to be able to do digital products and get out of physical products, okay? So after 8 months of coming back to home business and doing this YouTube channel and doing videos just like this, I was able to escape the matrix, fire my boss, and never have to work a job again. So you can do this, and I coach people every day on exactly how to do this. In fact, we're going to upload this video together in my group, and we're going to rank LiveGood videos together, okay? So anyways, LiveGood Review 2025. In my opinion, like all MLM companies are pretty much the same. LiveGood is not really my favorite MLM. I'm not into supplements. I think that you should just eat rice and exercise and be healthy, and you'll be fine. So I'm not really a supplement person. And also LiveGood is only paying 25 cents per member. So you need thousands of people in LiveGood to make any money. So for me, I'm not really like a fan of LiveGood. I know everyone's hyping it up and lying about it. I know everyone lies about LiveGood. But here's the truth, is that I help people promote LiveGood, and I help people build teams in LiveGood. And no matter what you're doing, you can still succeed in LiveGood, okay? So the strategies are still the same, okay? So you can generate traffic, leads, and sales for LiveGood following the simple strategies that I show you, okay? So I might not be a fan of LiveGood, but I've also become the top 6 earner in a different MLM that has the same style of comp plan, okay? So I know exactly how to build MLMs. I know exactly how to build your downline. I know exactly how to get more pre-enrollees, and exactly how to sign people up in LiveGood. I personally don't promote LiveGood, but I have built other MLMs just like LiveGood, okay? So if you want to learn how to build your LiveGood downline, that's the most important thing. I don't care whether I like it or not. I don't care whether you like it or not. We just want to make money, right? We just want to build a team and make money, right? So it doesn't matter what the new MLM is. Just make videos about it like I'm doing right now, right? And build your list. So if you want to learn how to build your LiveGood downline, I have an awesome $7 course. You can check it down below, simplefreedomwarriors.com, and I literally coach you every day on how to build your LiveGood downline, okay? I've got someone named Kevin who I've been working with, and he's been making LiveGood videos. He's built his LiveGood funnel. He's set up emails in his autoresponder for LiveGood. So he's doing a lot of great marketing steps and strategies, and he's building his downline in LiveGood. So I coach people in multiple programs, multiple systems. So if you are in LiveGood, click the link down below to start marketing the right way. If you're looking to join LiveGood, then go ahead and join, and then go ahead and get started with the link below and learn how to promote LiveGood, okay? So the link down below is to succeed in LiveGood or any program that you want, okay? So thanks for watching this video about LiveGood Review 2025. Have a wonderful day, my friend. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications. And right now, I'm going to upload this video, and we're going to, I have a group of people that we do videos together, and we upload and rank our videos together. So if you want to actually generate traffic with us for your LiveGood business, let's make videos together and rank them together. And I'm going to go live right now on my computer and upload this video, okay? So I do daily marketing with people in LiveGood and other companies. So I'll see you on the inside, my friend. Click the link down below on simplefreedomwarriors.com and get the exact training that you need to build your LiveGood downline. I'll see you on the beaches of the world.